I'm currently sitting in my field because I'm on a walk with my dog, and it is now 11 a.m. My friends are coming over tomorrow for like a sleepover to celebrate the fact that we're basically graduated now, and I need to clean the whole room for that. I'm just gonna go home now and get myself some food, and then we'll see what I'm gonna do. So yeah, welcome to today's vlog. I hope, you know, it inspires you to maybe get some stuff done, because I feel like every time I watch a quarantine vlog, it always inspires me to like get out of bed, stop watching Netflix, and like be at least a bit more productive, even though that is by no means what you have to do, because honestly, like, if all you want to do is watch YouTube videos like mine all day, then, whoa, I keep falling over, then please do, like, stay healthy, take your time. Okay, let's go get food. So hi, there's been a slight change of plan. My two friends, Marlene and Maya, are going to come over and we're gonna picnic. So I have to make food, and I'm gonna go to the grocery shop now to get some food that I can make. So yeah. So I made this pasta salad, which, like, I feel like such a suburban mom right now, but it looks so good. And I have olives, and my friends are gonna bring some more food, and then we're gonna picnic. I have to get ready really quickly because they're gonna be here in like 10 minutes and I'm late as per usual, so I need to put on my makeup and stuff, but then they're gonna be here and it's gonna be a lot of fun.
That's a rich dog. Oh, Heidi. Love story.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tschüss. Ja, komm. Okay, okay. Dann kriegen wir Ärger. I'm so happy. Hi again, for like the 5th time today. My friends just left, and that means that I just spent some time cleaning up the mess they left behind. No, I'm joking. And now I'm inside and I'm gonna start cleaning the room in the basement for the sleepover tomorrow. I'm really happy and I'm weirdly motivated to clean that room. I don't know why, but I feel really motivated to like do some spring cleaning, I guess. But honestly, like, this day has been so nice. I feel very free. I probably sound stupid. Whatever. I'll see you in the basement. the next herd, I'm gonna have to jump over it. Is that even a thing? I don't know. Is this. There's a bunch of like leaves and stuff out here, and I need to clean this away. And I feel like there's a bunch of spiders in there, but we're just gonna ignore that thought and go for it. But yeah, wish me luck. I feel like this is gonna take a while. Wait, no it's not. Law of attraction. This is gonna go by really fast and there's not gonna be any spiders. Okay, good, cool. I finished. Wait, let me show you. Doesn't this look so much better than before? Wow. Ta-da! So now, next on the agenda, I'm gonna walk Heidi because my brother is too lazy to do it himself, so I'm gonna do it for him because I'm a good sister. And then I'm gonna clean up my room, like tidy it up a bit. Maybe get dinner, but I'm not hungry at all, so... And then I want to edit some YouTube videos because I've filmed like 3 or 4 videos that I still need to edit, and it's annoying me that they're just like sitting on my laptop unedited, so I'm gonna do that today. And I also have the video of our last week of senior year that I need to edit, that I started editing today actually, and I really want to finish it by tomorrow so I can show it to my friends when they're all here and we can do like a viewing, like a public viewing of that video. I think that would be really cute. So that's on the agenda tonight. That's the plan for tonight. And yeah, I'm gonna go walk Heidi now and you're gonna come along, of course. It's nice and comfy in my room right now, and I'm just really happy, and I wanted to say thank you for watching and thank you for being here. If you like this video and if you want to see more, because there's definitely more where this came from, then please subscribe and like this video and comment anything you want to comment. Yeah, enough rambling. Yeah, okay, thank you, good night, goodbye. Yeah, I'm out. See you in the next video.